Dear student, how are you? So I want to explain to you how to complete this conflict immunity game. All you need to do is to go to your canvas and you click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will link you to this page. All you need to do is to follow the instruction. Start new game. If you have screen touch, yes. If not, no, because I'm using a PC here. You space bar. These are the controls. You can close it. You can also stop the music as you want, as you wish. So the first thing you need to do is to familiarize yourself with the information here. What are macrophages? How do they work? These are the armies in the body system, in the white blood cells that helps to fight diseases naturally. So you learn to know what each of them do. And also, don't forget, there's a accompanying worksheet. There's a worksheet that accompanies these what is it called? This assignment, this game. There's a worksheet that accompanies it. This worksheet. So as you play the game, make sure you complete. You can download it. Make sure you complete this worksheet as you play the game. For example, what are macrophages? Fill it in. What are helper T cells, and also and so on. So back to the game. So once you check the information about this and you've put the information in the worksheet, the next thing is to close this and begin the game. So
Macrophage.
you have your macrophage here. You use your arrow key to move it. This is how the macrophage works. So the macrophage engulfs the pathogen and displays the antigen. The antigen is a special protein on the pathogen or the disease-causing agent that enables the immune system to identify it. So the pathogen here, the antigen displayed will notify helper T cell. The helper T cell what the helper T cell will do. This is the helper T cell, you can see. So as the helper T cell receives the information, the helper T cell will be activated. You can activate it by moving it close to the putting the space here together with that of the macrophage. And the helper T cells, what it does is that it notifies killer T cells and B cells. The killer T cells will help to destroy infected cells because the pathogen wants to infect the cell. It's in the blood. The macrophages are trying to prevent them from getting into the cells. And also, antibodies will be produced, the chemicals, by the B cells to also try to destroy the pathogens. So these are the B cells. So this is the inactive B cell. In order to activate it, you move it close to the what? To the like this to the helper T cell. Then it will produce the plasma cells and the memory cell. Okay. So in case the memory cell will remember the antigen in the future, so that the body can be naturally immune to that pathogen or the disease causing agent, such that when in the future, if the what is it called? If the in the future, if the body is exposed to it, the body can treat it easily. So the plasma cells will help to kill, to destroy the what? The pathogens. Okay. So it's been destroyed by it's been immobilized by it's been destroyed or inactivated by the plasma cells, but the macrophage will help feed it up, engulfs it, and destroys it. Okay. So let's see now. Let's see. Okay, you can see one cell, one pathogen is in the cell now. Yes. So how do we do that? The macrophage cannot do anything to the pathogen in the cell. What the pathogen will do is try to multiply so that there can be many of them and they can do more. So look at the purpose of the macrophage. Look at the macrophage. Macrophage again. So okay, this is the helper T cell. The helper T cell activates the killer T cells and the beta cells. Okay, the killer T cells, you can activate it like this. Yes. And what do you have? You have the killer T cells and the memory cell. So the active killer T cell can be used to destroy the what? The infected cells. So active killer T cells help to destroy infected cells. So now you are ready to go to the next level. You can answer the question here in the one downloaded, the first one. What is an antigen? Okay, you answer the question. What is a pathogen? You answer the question. Now you are going to the next level. Go. So you can save your game here so that if anything happens, you go back to the game. So you just save the game all at So save the game and you go to the next one. You put the password. Okay. Email is important. Your institutional email. You put your institutional email here so that you can save the game with your institutional email. Then don't forget your password. You save the game. Then you go to the next stage. So then you can also fill your details here. Olatunde Idris Oparemi. I'm just going to put it this way. Idris. Yes. So you just continue here. Save game. I've saved this game so that whatever happens, I can go back to it. Return to game. This is level. Okay. This is level 1 now. So then you play the game. So remember, you can deactivate this. So you play the game until you finish level 7. So once you finish level 7, all you have to do is to follow the instructions here. Once you finish level 7, follow the instructions here. Make sure that you finish. It's going to tell you that you finished all the games. Then it will ask you to send score to teacher online. Don't send it to my email. Just click in that platform, send score to teacher online, and use this specific email, not anything else. Then you will receive a notification that you have successfully sent the score to the teacher. So once you do that, make sure you complete this worksheet and upload it in the space provided. Once you send this, once you receive this, you may even take a screenshot of it. I'll see your score. I will see the number of times you spent and I'll receive your score. If you do not finish level 7, I will not receive anything. And if you even finish level 7 and you did not click on upload score to teacher online, I will not see it. So hope you enjoy playing this game. It's a gamified activity. Thank you.